Hey everyone. So we are going to be working on our word definitions page today. If your worksheet does not look like this, then you can watch the other video. There are two versions of this worksheet. So you can use your vocabulary sheet, which is the first page of your packet, to work on this page. You can also just follow along on this video. If I'm going too quickly, just slow down, slow the video down, pause it, and work on your own pace. So let's work on let's look at the first word. The first word is foundation. So if we look on foundation, the foundation means a group of people that helps others. So in regards to our article, Amy is trying to help people with her foundation. She is specifically helping people with special needs, and she's helping them learn to play golf. She's helping support them in this sport. And because that's what she personally cares about. You can start a foundation for many things that helps people in many different things, just depending on your interest. The next word is golf. Golf. So what is golf? You can look on our vocabulary sheet. It says golf is an outdoor game in which players use clubs to hit small balls to holes. So golf is an outdoor game in which players use clubs to hit small balls into holes. And so people play in a very large golf course outdoors, and they usually play alone. They might have a lot of people around them, but they play on their own and they keep score of how many times it takes them to hit a ball into a hole. And sometimes the holes are really far away, sometimes they're a little closer, but you just want to hit them. Your goal is to only hit it once and get it into the hole, but that's pretty hard. Our next word is try. Try. So try means to make an attempt to do something. So you see in this picture, someone is trying to roll this huge red ball. So even if something seems difficult or you don't want to do something, you can still try. And if you don't like it, then you don't like it, but at least you tried. At least you made an attempt to do it. And our last word is best. Best. And best is the most excellent effort one can make. So when someone says try your best, that means you're putting everything you have to do a good job on it. Right? You're doing your best, the most excellent thing you can do. So let's look. We have foundation, a group of people that helps others. Golf, an outdoor game in which players use clubs to hit small balls into holes. Try, to make an attempt to do something. Best, the most excellent effort one can make.